In this video, I will show you how to get low ping in Roblox. So if you are playing Roblox and you're having lag or problems with freezing, then what you're going to want to do is reduce your ping. So without further ado, let's get into a few things you can do to get a low ping in Roblox. Now, here we are, as you can see on my desktop. The first thing you're going to want to make sure is that you don't have many programs running in the background. So what you can do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, right click to bring up this menu, and then click onto Task Manager. On your Task Manager, what you want to do is go through your different apps and see if there's anything running that you don't necessarily need to be opened. So for example, things like Steam, Discord, or maybe other applications or games you've got opened, you just want to simply click onto from here. And once you've clicked onto that, you're going to see at the top the option to end task. If you're running Windows 10, that's going to be in the bottom right hand corner. So you want to go ahead and end task to free up some memory and disk space and resolve some ping issues. Now, another thing you can do is check your firewall settings. So from your desktop, you want to come down to the search box at the bottom, and in the search box, go ahead and type firewall, just like so. And underneath best match, you're going to see Windows Defender Firewall. So give that a click to open up your firewall. Now, once you've got this open, come over to this menu on the left-hand side and click here where it says allow an app all features through Windows Defender Firewall. Once you've done that, you're going to get a window like this. What you want to do is come up to the top and click here where it says change settings. And then what you can do is scroll down and look for Roblox. So it's in alphabetical order. So you just want to scroll through, look for Roblox. And once you found it, you want to make sure the two boxes to the right hand side, the private and public boxes, both have ticks in. And once you've done that, just come down and click OK. After doing this, give this a try and see if that fixes any ping related problems. So the next method we're going to look into is something called Rogold. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up an internet browser, and then what you want to do is search for the Google Chrome Web Store. So you want to come across to Google and just type that into here and then search for the web store. Now if you actually open up the Chrome Web Store and use the search box at the top and go ahead and search for Rogold, when you type this in, you're going to see it come up, so just give that a click. Now there is a free or paid version, but don't worry, you don't need the paid version to do this. You just need the free version of Rogold. What you want to do is add that to Chrome by clicking the blue button here and then clicking onto add extension. So as you can see, that's now been added to Chrome. So what this basically does, if we come across to Roblox, so I'm going to go across to Roblox and log into my account, and then basically if we choose a game, let's go for Blox Fruits for example, and what we're going to do is just scroll down and click onto servers. Now once you've done this, if we scroll down, it's actually going to tell you the average ping for each server. So you can see some are really high, like 234, which we don't want. We want to get as low as possible. So for example, this one, 50 is really good, 56, that sort of thing. Even 100 can be quite good. So you can use this tool, this extension Rogold, to find the different pings of different servers for particular experiences on Roblox, and therefore get a lower ping when playing Roblox. So one final way that I want to talk to you guys about on how to get a low ping in Roblox is by changing your servers to use Google servers. Now to do that, what you're going to want to do, if we come back to our desktop, you want to come down to your search box at the bottom, and then just go ahead and type control panel into the search box. So underneath best match, you're going to see control panel. Give that a click to open up your control panel. And from here, you want to locate where it says network and internet. If your window looks different to mine, come up to the top right hand corner, and where it says view by, you want to make sure this is clicked onto category. So click onto network and internet. What you then want to do is click onto the network and sharing center. So you can see that's the option here. And then from here, come over to this menu on the left hand side and click onto change adapter settings. What that's going to do is load up a window, and from here you want to find your internet connection. You can see mine's here, so we're just going to go ahead, give that a right click, and then click onto properties. So what that's going to do is open up another small window like this, and from here you want to find the Internet Protocol version 4, so that's this one here. Give that a click and then come down and click onto properties underneath. So by default what's going to happen is it's going to be selected like this. It's going to say obtain DNS server address automatically. What we want to do is change this, as mentioned, to use Google's. So we want to click onto this option here, use the following DNS server addresses, and then type the following, which is 888, and in alternative we want to use 8844. After doing this, go ahead, click OK, close this down, close down all these windows, and once you launch Roblox, you should now have a much better ping. So that is how to get low ping in Roblox. I will be looking into some more methods, so keep an eye out for future videos on how to reduce your ping in Roblox. But if this quick tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.